This is one of our Nature's Art series, part of our signature series flutes actually, in the key of A minor. In this case, it's made out of Madrone Burl. We call it Nature's Art because the woods are so beautiful. The different species have just amazing qualities to them that are really the art of nature. The Madrone Burl has pearlizing and quilting in it. It makes it a beautiful flute. And like all of our signature flutes, they're very responsive. This in particular flute is made out of a hardwood, so the notes are nice, clean, and clear, and it takes very little breath to get a sweet sound. Here's his voice.